Time now for the financial week. Scotiabank collected less fees from its customers last year. The company made the announcement at its annual general meeting today.
Net fee and commission income, we reported $7.1 billion compared to $8.1 billion for 2019. That's $946 million, or 12% below 2019.
Chief Financial Officer Michelle Wright explained that the COVID-19 pandemic impaired the company's ability to rake in more fees as transaction volumes fell.
Just in terms of the activity fees, the volumes went down, resulting in a reduction in our fees overall.
The World Bank is warning that the expected recovery in the Caribbean this year will not be enough to make up for the downturn in 2020. World Bank President David Malpass told the Caribbean Media Corporation he does not agree with the 3.8% figure projected by the Caribbean Development Bank (CDB). He says the World Bank will shortly release its own figures. Last month, the CDB said the average gross domestic product for the Caribbean this year will be 3.8%, but warned that the projection is clouded by the ongoing uncertainty caused by the global COVID-19 pandemic. The Bank of Jamaica (BOJ) is reporting that the total number of counterfeit notes in circulation declined in 2020. There were 1,547 counterfeit notes valued at $1.8 million. The BOJ says the figure last year was equivalent to 7.2 counterfeit notes per 1 million genuine notes in active circulation. This was an improvement relative to 11.9 counterfeit notes in 2019. Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $147.41. The Canadian dollar sold for $118.97. The pound is going for $204.05, while the euro ended the day at $177.96. The JC Index lost 687 points today, while the Junior Market Index fell by 8 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Jamaican Teas, Jamaica Producers Group, Carreras, and Berger Paints. On the losing side were Siboney Group, SSL Venture Capital, iCreate, Paramount Trading, and Palace Amusement. And that's the financial week. When we come back, news from overseas and our bite of the week.